Welcome to MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. I'm Captain Ben Beecher. Today we're on an all-new 2023 Harris 250 Sunliner. Let's start up here at the front of the boat. You see a nice big U-shaped seating up here. Going to be plenty of storage underneath all these seats. Also, you have your optional fold-down armrest if you're lounging forward. Coming over to the helm here, you're going to see an all-new design to their digital throttle and shifter for 2023. Also going to see your Simrad screen, glass dash, and your Clarion stereo. Over here, we're going to have more storage. And something I really like about these boats is the size of this door right here. You can drag big coolers through here. It is ADA compliant, so it is capable of getting a wheelchair through this door. As we move towards the back of the boat, we're going to see a lot more seating back here. You really fit a lot of people back in this area. Or if you have a lot of gear, you have storage underneath all of these seats. And plenty of cup holders and USB ports. Back of the boat, here you're going to see a ski pylon. You have your nice wide 24-inch grab handle ladder and a 200 horsepower Mercury. Once again, my name is Ben Beecher with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Thank you for taking the time to go through this boat with me today.